Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see someone's activity on their uh, phone or how to see other phone activity on your phone. It's very simple. So, people monitor phone activity for many reasons, often related to safety and security, such as keeping an eye on children or providing care for elderly family members. But how exactly do you go about it? It's very simple. So, first thing you have to do is you can log in into email. You can log in with email. Uh, that you want to that connect with phone that you want to see the activity. After that, you can open your Google. You can log in Google with that email. After that, you can tap on the up right corner on your profile. Select on manage your Google account. You can scroll down. You'll find there is an option data and privacy. You can just select on that. You can scroll down until you find see and delete your history anytime. There's an option on my activity, maps timeline. If you see in here, there's like web and app activity, timeline, and YouTube history is on. So any activity on that phone that logs in with this email will be recorded in this email. So you can check on my activity, tap on my activity. You can scroll down. So here's all the activity on that phone, on the phone that log in with this email. You can see, visit Netflix, search for Netflix, visit YouTube. You can check all the activity and here and also the time range. It's for today and yesterday. You can see all the activity in this section. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see what someone is doing on their phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.